The global lithium battery production capacity has surged over the past 10 years. Yet the industry is facing three major challenges: high cost, low delivery efficiency, and difficulty in flexible production. Yinghe Technology has been deeply engaged in lithium battery equipment for nearly 20 years, and with over 14 whole-line practices, it has delivered a solution to break the bottleneck. Today, let's uncover the secret: Yinghe Technology's 1.8-meter ultra-wide whole-line solution. Yinghe Technology's 1.8 ultra-wide whole-line solution features core advantages such as high operating rate, high yield, high intelligence, and high compatibility, covering the whole process flow of slurry making, coating, calendaring, slating, and winding. In addition, the product operating rate exceeds 80%. The first pass yield is greater than or equal to 95%. The number of operation and maintenance personnel is reduced by more than 50%. And the model changeover is convenient and quick. Next, let's focus on the core single machine in the whole-line solution, the coating machine. As the key fulcrum of the whole-line solution, Yinghe Technology's coating machine has been awarded the 8th batch of single-item manufacturing champion in the manufacturing industry. With over 1,900 units delivered to the market and an industry-leading coating width of 1.8 meters, it lays a core foundation for the high compatibility and high integration of the whole line. In addition, Yinghe Technology's new generation 1.8-meter double-layer Super E coating machine adopts an innovative E-shaped electrode path design, enabling double drying of the electrode in a single suction oven. Compared with the traditional equipment, it reduces the length by 30%, increases efficiency by 200%, saves 35% of space and 30% of energy consumption. Will also reduce the factory area by 8% and the maintenance manpower by 30%. Yinghe Technology's new generation calendaring and slating integrated machine can also achieve a roll width of 1.8 meters, adapting to wider electrode. In addition, it features a calendaring tolerance of plus or minus 2 micrometer and a tip berry of 5 micrometer, almost 1/10 the thickness of human hair, enabling the yield to be increased to 99.8%. As the efficiency leader in the whole-line solution, the ultra-high-speed multi-station notching and stacking integrated machine with an ultra-high stacking efficiency of 0.1 seconds per piece pushes the lithium battery Z stacking efficiency to a new industry height. In addition, while achieving extremely fast notching and stacking, the overall alignment accuracy of the stacked layers is smaller than or equal to 0.3 mm, achieving a dual breakthrough in efficiency and quality. As the epitome of the high efficiency and high quality in the whole-line solution, the prismatic laser notching and winding integrated machine breaks through the winding efficiency bottleneck with a maximum light speed of 3,000 millimeters per second. It integrates laser tab notching, multi-stage dust removal, and online inspection technologies, achieving a qualification rate of greater than or equal to 99.5%. Through intelligent algorithm and precise control, it ensures winding stability during high-speed operation, providing core support for efficient and high-quality cell production. Finally, our sun-contact minimalist short-blade cell assembly line drives overall efficiency at 36 ppm, ensures greater than or equal to 98% pass yield for quality, flexibly switches across 7 models, and features a 300-second design for easier maintenance access. In the next issue, we will introduce the small whole-line solution, which is suitable for medium and small production capacities. offering flexibility and high efficiency. Please stay tuned to Yinghe Technology and don't miss out on any issues of valuable content.